Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to another New at Tuesday morning week. In this video, there will be a small clip on the winners for my New at Tuesday morning video from last week. Due to the size of the comments that I had on that video, I chose 3 winners, okay? So depending on how many comments I get for any of my New at Tuesday morning videos, I will pick winners, okay? So I figured 1 was not going to be enough, so I picked 3 winners. So my first winner, this is what they won. This is a set of stamps, okay? And my second winner, this is what they will receive, another set of stamps. And my third winner, this is what they will receive for their winnings, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy your winnings. Please make sure you guys send me your mailing information, and so I can send out your goodies, okay? So congratulations and thank you so much for everybody who participated, and I love seeing your comments, so thank you so much. Okay, so I'll put these away, and then I have a small haul for you and what I picked from Tuesday morning this week, and a little things that came in the mail. Also, there's a little update on my Tuesday mornings. Their trucks are rolling in, crafts are rolling in, and they will have more crafts coming. The only issue right now is them unboxing and putting things out. So I have to be really patient. When it comes from me going in the stores and filming and asking, if all their craft supplies are out. I don't want to bother them. Let's be really patient with their workers, you guys. So just please be very patient with them. But like I said, crafts are rolling in and they have more coming in. So for this week, I went over, filmed a little bit here and there, and they're still unboxing. So I think my videos will probably be out by the end of every week, because just because I don't want to be there on truck day. It's not the same. They don't have a lot of workers or short staff, so it's going to take them time to unbox everything and put everything out. I try to help as much as I can. When they have a craft cart, I help them put all the crafts away and all that stuff. So for now, we just have to be really patient for them to be, get back into their routine and all that stuff. So hopefully, they'll hire enough seasonal workers, and they will have the extra help that they need to put all this stuff out on time. Okay, so so let me start with my haul. This is what I picked up this week at Tuesday morning. They had this set right here. So this is the only one I picked up. I thought the little house was very cute, and the little Santa, like a vintage Santa. So I love that set. So one of the winners received one of these stamps and an extra one. Okay, I also picked up this stamp for myself. I thought this was really cute. I couldn't find another one to do for my other giveaway, but like I said, I'll pick up things from whatever I see and I like that that I think you guys would love. I'll pick up and do as a giveaway. So for this video, it'll be another surprise. So stay tuned. So I picked this die as well. It makes that really pretty flower. It's so pretty, you guys. So hopefully it cuts well. I do own another couple of their dies that I did pay full retail for, but Tuesday morning has them in their stores. Okay, and then I'm slowly starting to get these dies. I wasn't really thrilled with a lot of the new release, but some of them are really cute, so they're slowly coming in. So I picked this one up, and I picked this one up as well. And I think I picked this up on eBay for a really good price, because Hobby Lobby, their prices are pretty high. Even though I saw someone showing that they're going on clearance. Okay, so that's my Tuesday morning haul, and here's more of my online hauls right here. I was really happy to pick up this Paper Tray Ink gingerbread set right here. It's called Gingerbread Bakery, and it's by Paper Tray Ink, and I believe they will stock it again. They were out of stock when they released it. I was so happy to get, you guys. This is really cute, and I think Jen from Strawberry and Creams would probably like this too. She's into this baking theme stuff. So Jen, if you're watching, you have to pick this up, girl. Okay, and then there's this right here. And they have the coordinating dies as well. I like how they have them in their little pouches. And these are the coordinating dies, like I said. Okay, so very cute set, you guys. If you guys are into that vintage bakery stuff, I would really recommend this set. And I think they have really good prices too. They're not that bad. And then from Tim Holtz, I did pick up the new stencils that he released. Really love that set right there. Little poinsettias. So these are the mini stencils, and then I did get the large poinsettia stencil. Okay, very cute. And then some of his stamp sets. This is the bottle brush trees. This is the stamp set right here. And these I picked up from scrapbook.com or Simon Says Stamp. I can't remember, one of the two. And then this is really, really cute. Okay, I love that stamp set. And then I picked this one up. Wasn't my favorite, but I like collecting a lot of his flower stamps, so I did pick that up. Okay, you guys, so that's it for my haul. So after this clip, the winners will be announced, and then the walkthrough from Tuesday morning. Okay, so don't forget to comment. And if you guys want to be entered, if you don't want to be entered, just you know, type in "don't enter me." Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Okay, thank you guys so much for your support. Catch you in my next video. Bye. First winner, we have 3 winners that we're gonna pick today, so let's see. Okay, so I don't see the name. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Sorry. There we go. It's been a while, you guys, since I made since I picked a winner here on this Comet Pinker. Okay, so our first winner is FP Handmade. Congratulations, girl. So you are my first winner. Okay, so let's do another for a second winner. Okay, I gotta it tells me that I have to do a CAPTCHA. I think that's how you say it. I'm sorry. So we gotta put in our answer here and then get your YouTube comments. Okay. And let's see, let's press start. Okay. Dina Carroll. She is my second winner. Okay. Awesome. So now let's pick another winner, our third and last winner. Okay, let me do this real quick. Get comments, and then let's press start. Oh my goodness, Chiquita Crochet, you are my third winner, girl. So you guys have 48 hours to email me and send me your mailing address and all that fun stuff, your shipping address. So thank you guys so much, and I have another New at Tuesday Morning coming up, so make sure you guys comment and like the video.